Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core i5-13400F, a 10-core processor with 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Clocking in at a base speed of 2.5 GHz and capable of reaching much higher turbo frequencies. This CPU delivers great multitasking and gaming performance, especially for 1080p and 1440p gaming. Whether you're streaming, video editing, or playing AAA games, the 13400F offers excellent value and performance without overheating or throttling under load. Now, pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB of VRAM, and you get a well-rounded graphic solution that can easily tackle the latest games at high settings. The 4060 isn't just a 1080p champion. It's also well-optimized for ray tracing and DLSS 3.0, meaning you can enjoy enhanced visuals without sacrificing performance. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Hogwarts Legacy, and Call of Duty Warzone 2 runs smoothly with this GPU, often crossing 60 to 100 plus frames per second depending on your settings. Storage and speed-wise, this PC is equipped with a 1TB PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD, offering lightning-fast boot times, quick load speeds, and enough room for several large games and applications. It's a major step up from older SATA SSDs and a night and day difference compared to traditional hard drives. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, this PC is future-proof for the next several years. DDR5 ensures higher bandwidth and faster data transfer compared to DDR4, making multitasking a breeze. You'll be able to keep several applications open while gaming or streaming without experiencing slowdowns. Design-wise, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme looks as good as it performs. The tempered glass side panel gives you a clear view of the internal components and vibrant custom RGB lighting. It's a clean, modern aesthetic that's perfect for gamers who want performance and style. The airflow is also well managed with decent fan placement, keeping internal temperatures under control during long gaming sessions. Connectivity is generous, too. You get 3 USB 3.1 ports, 6 USB 2.0 ports, 1 gigabit LAN port, built-in Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 4.2. That means connecting peripherals, headsets, and controllers is simple and clutter-free. The inclusion of 7.1 channel audio support is also a bonus if you want to enjoy immersive sound with gaming headsets or surround sound speakers. Out of the box, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, so you can jump straight into your setup without wasting time. It also includes a gaming keyboard and mouse, which may not be top-tier peripherals, but are more than adequate for casual or entry-level gaming. And let's not forget the 1-year warranty on parts and labor, plus free lifetime tech support from CyberPowerPC, something that adds significant peace of mind if you're not comfortable building or troubleshooting your own rig. Final verdict. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme with the i5-13400F and RTX 4060 strikes the perfect balance between affordability, power, and upgrade potential. Whether you're a casual gamer, a student, or a content creator, this system provides exceptional value. It's ready for the latest games, handles multitasking well, and looks great while doing it. If you're shopping for a dependable and future-proof gaming desktop that won't break your budget, this PC deserves to be at the top of your list.